Ghana Minister of Information, Mr. Kojo Oppong Nkrumah, he don't come outside now, come dey plead with Ghanaians. For now, we no know, during coronavirus, these people come outside, people where they talk about na MPP people, they come outside, they want show themselves, say na them be the best. Now them, in fact, nothing wey they no do for this corona period though. They give them free water, they say free light, they say free school, they say everything free during corona. Come see jubilation. Now, my people, to our greatest surprise, in fact, this one, in fact, now to our greatest shock, this man don't come outside, come they beg Ghanaians and members of parliament. They tell them, say they need to accept the new, because they get new budget for this 2021. And according to their budget, if they no increase tax money, they say it no go meet up. So I bet may all the Ghanaians understand where they come from. Say they need to increase the tax so that they go meet up by whichever budget where they get. And then come add on top, say the resources where they require now with these taxes where they talk about, they use and help to grow the economy after all this coronavirus period come pass. So I beg, I don't bring a corner aside. So that I no go be say I just use my own come talk with you. I no know, you understand? I beg, join me, make we listen to Mr. Kojo.
Spend the fiscal impact of COVID, about 19 billion cedis to respond to COVID. And we did not necessarily charge the Ghanaian for it. We had to borrow, we had to take money from the Bank of Ghana to deal with the COVID pandemic. That's why today articles are being published around the world commending Ghana as one of the best response countries. But that 19 billion cedis has to be paid for at some point. The liabilities we have incurred has to be paid for. COVID expenses are going to be with us at least for the medium term.
Does the 19 billion include the free water and electricity you gave?
It does. It's part of COVID-related expenses.
No, but you gave us that one hand and you're taking it back the other.
No, we were in the midst of a crisis and government had to front load.
You said it was free.
But it's free to you. It wasn't free to the treasury. It wasn't free to the treasury.
I'm lost here.
No, so when we say free electricity, it doesn't mean that the IPP producer is also going to say, because the president has said free electricity, I won't charge the country for it.
The government will have to pay.
The government will have to pay.
Yeah, but I'm saying that you are now in 2021.
Yes.
You now want us to pay for it.
I'm saying the government, for example, had to borrow money, the fiscal impact about 19 billion, to make all of those expenses happen. And in addition to that, there are going to be expenses in the medium term because of COVID. The government is asking a question. Can we continue to accommodate this COVID black hole in this already widening gap of our finances? Or do we have to introduce a revenue handle that can take care of it? And the government comes to a view that, with the greatest of respect, can we take 1% VAT to pay for that, so that COVID does not become an ever-burdening expenditure item for us?
Yeah, but you made a choice to give us free water and electricity. You've extended it, and it served you well in the politics of the day.
Because governments
won the election.
Because governments make
only
choices.
now to come and tell us to pay for it.
No, because governments make choices on behalf of their people. If we are at war, and the government has to make a decision that we have to procure A, B, C, D, E, F, G to go to war and win that war, and does not necessarily tax the population for it today, and mobilizes for us.
But the free was populist.
I'm coming to mobilize and come together and achieve it. It is well in order for the government, when we have won the war or we are on a clear path to win.
Hey. Number one show president in the world. Hey. No, Naija. Free water. Free light, free this school, free road, free everything free, even free air to breathe. They even give Ghanaians free. No, later now, no, because nobody they talk like this. Hey, my people, I know your word. When this thing happen, everywhere in the world, hey, MPPO, and this one. Nah, everybody mouth don't shut up. I know they hear their voice again. Where on a day? No, make una come outside talk now, because una no even allow person hear word. Now una go increase taxes so that they go feel balance. Una no, una be like this until they work una. All the free things una receive, now una go pay them through una tax. You understand? Meaning say, for una wey no even understand English, if before your tax na, for instance, 10 cedis. And now you go pay like 30 cedis or 20 cedis so that you go cover up for the electricity bill where you overuse. No time don't reach. If una no say this thing, una don't do now because before na free. Why una can't tell people say na free? Because I know they see any free thing here. It just be like the way me I dey see am o. It be like say they just give una what they call her advance. They give una free light in advance, so una go pay later. Now wetin are they see here? How do they say any freedom? Meaning say una just purposely. See, the heart of man is desperately wicked. This one now, if una ask me, una don't say me always the turn of my mind. They use this one win election. They use this thing win election after they carry una mind finish. Una no say African. No, if I dey told this thing una go dey think say they lie. African free things. Hey, not try amo free Africans. They be like 5 and 6. Now election don't they don't win election. Election don't finish. They don't they show una their real color. God, which kind of African leaders we can't get like this? Which kind of African leader? Like now, I dey find the African president where at least if we call them out, we feel checking white garment without any stain. I dey find that man. I never see him. No, which country I won't mention? All of them are the same thing. All of them. MPP for life. Say more for this, more for that. No, now the more we dey look for now like this, now more taxes now they can't collect. Where this guy, now this one, in fact, this one he shocked me. This guy no allow me hear word. Hey, Kojo Oppong. In fact, this guy, if they look for MPP president, vice president, and this one they supposed give, he go open tap of water, he pour wine inside this thing. He sit down, water they flow, he sit down there. No, because they give them free water, so they try to tell NDC members, say, una dey see am, una dey see am. Ngwana, don't bring a corner aside for una way they think say they lie. I beg, make we watch Kojo Oppong.
It's going to succeed. Oh, yeah, winner.
No, una don't see am. Immediately they announce free. Now wetin you go do? And this thing alone a message. But una no go get the code. Abeg help me bring this guy outside. Bring am come outside. Me and now we get serious matter to discuss. Sheldon MPP. You don't come outside and come dey show yourself. This one, that one. I'm saying they prepare for all these bills. Oh. You never saw this coming. You go pay, in fact, the way you go pay bills, you go even deny this MPP where you won't kill yourself for. You see him head, no wonder people they call him big head. When did they call this guy big head before? I've been to say, but I don't notice, because I don't notice at that time. No, now they see the head. Big head like this one. How you no go follow MPP? We show free for life. See ya. Tomorrow night you go come outside, go the blog, they talk plenty things, plenty. I hope say you go come outside talk this matter. The same way you expose them, they open tap, they do this one. Come, I dey wait for your. In fact, I dey wait. Come talk about this matter. Nonsense. My people, some people for this world, once they give them small coins, they go just come outside, start they talk rubbish. Now only God know how much they pay Kojo. Now only God know how much they pay this guy. Where he come outside, come they disturb everybody. I no blame you. I'm not go just blame you. I better bring this minister outside. Minister of Information. No make her give you. See, no make her start they call you the way they call Nigeria own. Because your own dog, you don't they near misinformation. I beg. The tax where you come outside now, they tell us, say, we go pay tax. They go do this one. You and who discuss am? No, you and who discuss am? Because the last time where I check, when I come outside, they tell us, say it is free. So now you they bring tax, enter this. If we pay a little, if we pay a little, it will benefit us all. Abi, it will benefit you people. Bia, listen to me very well. Hold your ears as they talk to you. You understand? We know they pay any. Hey, make I no even use that word. We no go pay anything. You understand? Go meet Kojo, because 12 una 7 una head be the same thing. Go meet this Kojo, make he pay you for all the taxes. You understand? Because now they benefit am. You know, see as they waste water. So go meet them. I no wan hear anything. No con dey disturb my Ghanaian. I be my fellow Ghanaians. How far? Now Kojo share don go pay for all these taxes. So I dey stand with una. We no go gree. They tell us free. So now they don't dey bring another matter. Una don use water and other things. Do wetin una wan do now. I don clear now. Una don dey bring another issue inside the man. Abeg, they no dey pay anything. You understand? Very, very serious. So if una no say una dey in support, except for una wey get too much money, but if you no say you dey in support with me, you no go pay any tax. Abeg, start dey drop am for that comment section. Very, very important, because these people need hear us. And abeg, if you never share this video, wetin you dey wait for? See, in fact, Kojo share done. You need hear me. I dey call you because your own na your own. Even in fact, I carry you personal this time. I carry you over personal. Abeg, make una help me share this video. That big head need hear my name. You understand? And again, if you never subscribe, wetin you dey wait for? Just click on that thing. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story.